I have always been a dreamer, followed visions of my own. I was born to belong to the lines of a song and make them my home.
I believe in happy endings, for I won't know you. For as rare as they are, like a bright morning star, I found one in you.
Sometimes all the world can seem so friendless, and the road ahead so endless, and the dreams so far away. Sometimes when I'm almost to surrender, then I stop and I remember I have you to say my name. Often my imagination has me reaching out too far.
When I feel you were there, with your head in the air, you're here from the start.
Sometimes after all you've done to save me, through the love you freely gave me,
every step along the way.
Sometimes people ask what keeps me growing, and it's truly comes from going. I have you to say my name. Sometimes feeling helpless when I held you, wishing words would come to tell you I have you to say my name.